Welcome, and thank you for your interest in OptiPlant. In this video, we will go through a brief demonstration of how the OptiPlant Schematic Editor provides users an automated visualization of your line list data and makes it easier and faster to enter the data for a line list. Here, you see OptiPlant open in a top view with a 200 by 200 foot grid with equipment already modeled. There are several workflow options here. You can start with an existing line list or an empty one. First, I will show creating a line list from scratch. First, you will need to select the equipment that you would like to include in your schematic. In the Auto Route tab, select the Schematic Creator button. This will open up the OptiPlant Schematic Creator window. You will see the equipment that was previously selected is automatically drawn based on schematic symbols that are used industry-wide. The equipment tags are also automatically listed. Next, select the Add Pipe button and then hover the crosshairs over the equipment you want to connect. If you look at the bottom of the Schematic Creator window, you will notice that when you hover the crosshairs over one of the equipment symbols, you will see the equipment ID tag along with the nozzle ID. Each and every equipment symbol in the OptiPlant Schematic Creator has the OptiPlant rule-based nozzles associated with it. So the ID tag 41-G-103_1A and the discharge nozzle will be the start location of my pipe. Next, select the endpoint for this new pipe, tank 41-F-103_1, and our nozzle ID will be HZ for horizontal. Once I have selected my endpoint, you can see the following things happen automatically. I have the line connectivity, the data is added to the line list, and a label is auto-generated. I can now modify the label for size, spec, and any other attribute. Users are able to add equipment to equipment lines and also equipment to branch lines, and branch to branch lines as well in the Schematic Creator. Just to show you how quick it is, I will add a few more lines to this schematic. The second workflow is to visualize existing data and to add to it. Go back to OptiPlant, see the line list has existing data, now launch the Schematic Creator, and you can see it has automatically populated the sheets and connections. Users can continue to add or modify any of the existing data. This is a user-friendly method to view the data in the line list and add data to the line list. Thank you.